What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to talk about Wave accounting software, and for this video we are going to walk you through how to use Wave accounting software for your business. So let's start. When starting with Wave accounting software, the initial step is to sign up for an account and proceed to set up your business profile. This involves entering essential details such as your business name, address, and industry to personalize your account. Additionally, you can connect your bank account securely to streamline transaction tracking within the software. Customizing your invoices and estimates with your logo and branding adds a professional touch to your financial documents, enhancing your business image. Efficiently managing your invoicing process is crucial for smooth financial operations. With Wave Accounting, you can create invoices tailored to your business needs, send estimates to clients for project proposals, and easily track payments received. By accepting online payments through Wave Payments, you can expedite transactions and improve cash flow. Setting up recurring payments for regular clients further simplifies payment management, ensuring timely and consistent revenue streams. Accurate expense tracking is essential for maintaining financial health. Wave Accounting allows you to record expenses by category, providing a clear overview of where your money is being spent. By capturing receipts using Wave's mobile app, you can streamline the expense management and ensure proper documentation. Monitoring cash flow through the dashboard enables you to track income, expenses, and overall financial health, empowering informed decision-making. Collaboration with your accountant is made easy with Wave accounting software. You can invite your accountant to access your financial data directly within the platform, facilitating seamless communication for tax preparation and financial analysis. Exporting reports in various formats allows for easy sharing with stakeholders or external parties, enhancing collaboration and transparency in financial matters. Consider exploring the advanced feature offered by Wave Accounting's Pro plan to enhance your financial management capabilities. Features like automated reminders and recurring invoices can streamline repetitive tasks and improve efficiency. With cloud-based accessibility, you can access your financial data from any device at any time, ensuring flexibility in managing your business finances effectively. By following these steps, you can effectively harness the power of Wave accounting software to streamline your financial process and focus on growing your business successfully. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.